the earning reports and NFP numbers, all what we need to know in the week ahead. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. While the earning reports will be continued in the week ahead, BoE and RBA policy meetings and the press conference will be in the center of the attentions. Also, we should now follow the Powell speech and other FOMC members during the week and wait for the solid job data on Friday's NFP reports. Let's take a look at the most important events of the week. Number 1. Earning reports. Last week, as we were expecting, new records have been printed in all Wall Street indices, while it's going to be another week with another set of new records for stock markets. At the last week Federal Reserve meeting, the central bank stayed committed to full employment and interest rate goals. And according to the latest refinitiv data, so far 303 companies from the S&P 500 list reported their earnings for quarter 1st 2021, and 87.1% of them have beaten the expectations. Last quarter, the beating rate was about 76%. This week, another 139 companies from the S&P 500 list will report, including Pfizer, Uber, AIG, Lyft, AMC, and General Motors. S&P 500 looks at 4,213 and 4,260 levels and is currently uptrend. However, profit taking by investors at these record levels can be the main risk of the market for the correction under the 4,000 level. Number 2. NFP data on Friday. The event of the week surely will be the Friday's employment report, which is the Federal Reserve primary commitment at the moment. We are waiting for a 5.7% unemployment rate, down from 6% in March. Non-farm payrolls also are expected to raise 950K from the previous 916K. We are expecting profit taking in the stock markets and upbeat economic data. While Treasury yields are also growing, the USD due to grow above 91.20 level. However, technically under the 91 level, deeper numbers are expected to come into the spotlight. Number 3. Central banks meeting in the UK and Australia. Australian Central Bank interest rate decision, statement and a press conference will be on Tuesday. No change is expected in its rate and monetary policy until target inflation rate between 2 and 3% will be achieved. While from the Bank of England meeting on Thursday, we expect to lower stimulus and ease on the bond purchasing level in the meeting as British economy is strongly recovering from the worst recession of past 300 years. In the February meeting, the BoE forecast the economy to grow 5% in this year after a 10% contraction of the past year. With these expectations of BoE and USD growth, we are expecting to see more downtrend under the 1.38 level for cable. And finally, number 4, economic data and important speeches. On the light economic calendar, Monday ISM manufacturing PMI and new orders both expected to raise, and later on the same day, Mr. Powell will have speech. However, we are not expecting any surprises from that. Wednesday, ISM service data and ADP number will be published, as well as US oil inventory levels by EIA. Thursday, jobless claims are essential. However, traders probably will be waiting for Friday's NFP number to react. During the week, most of FOMC members, including the Robert Kaplan, John Williams, Neil Kashkari, Eric Rosinger, and Loretta Master will speak. Thanks for watching this video and hope you are having an amazing week ahead.